ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 78, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 4. ಚಿರಧೃತ ಪ್ರಣಯಾ ತ್ವಯಿ ಬಾಲಿಕಾ ಸಪದಿ ಕಾಂಕ್ಷಿತ ಭಂಗ ಸಮಾಕುಲಾ ತವ ನಿವೇದಯಿತುಂ ದ್ವಿಜಮಾದಿಶತ್ ಸ್ವಕದನಂ ಕದನಂಗ ವಿನಿರ್ಮಿತಂ. Word by word meaning. Tvayi, with thee. Chiradhrita Pranaya, who had been in love since long. Balika, that girl Rukmini. Kankshita Bhanga Samakula, Kankshita, of what was desired. Bhanga, frustration. Samakula, distressed, who was distressed at the impending frustration of her desire. Kadananga Vinirmitam, by cruel Cupid. Vinirmitam, brought about. Swakadanam, her distress. Sapadi, at once. Tava Nivedayitum, to communicate to thee. Dvija, a Brahmana. Adishat, sent with a message. Full meaning. That girl Rukmini, who had been in love with thee since long and was sorely distressed at the prospect of her desire being frustrated, sent a Brahmana to inform thee about her distress, which had been brought about by the cruel god of love. Note: Rukmini was goddess Lakshmi herself. Ananga, one without a body. Cupid, his body having been burnt by Shiva, who thereafter, at the request of his wife Rati, gave him a form which was invisible to all except Rati herself. See Saundarya Lahari, verse 5. Smaropi Tvannatva. Om Tat Sat.